Hi, I'm JMO from Xcase in the UK, www.xcase.co.uk. We're a provider of rack mount computer chassis from leading brands like Supermicro, Shembro, Intel, as well as our own OEM brand. So I'm just going to have a quick look at a system we've built in the Supermicro. This one's the 512F-350B. Here we go, it's a short little case. It comes with a 350 watt gold power supply. That's probably one of its biggest plus points. It comes with all the accessories that you need to fit a slim CD-ROM. These fit in quite easily. There's a couple of little brackets. They're a bit of a struggle to work out, but once you figure it out, they're easy to install. It takes two 3.5-inch hard drives, which go side on. Got one there and one there. The slim CD actually fits on top of the hard drive. The Motherboard Io Plate, obviously made for Supermicro motherboards without audio, and it's fairly generic, so it fits all their standard server boards. This one we fitted with a Supermicro board. Just be a little bit careful if you're not going to fit a Supermicro board. The lead that comes from the power on-off, reset, etc. is made specifically for Supermicro, and so it's a fixed header, it's not a split cable, so if you've got another brand then you've got a bit of a problem. They do an adapter cable, but it doesn't come with the kit, and there'd be nothing more annoying than getting this case with a different brand motherboard and then realising that you can't make it work. It comes with these 40mm fans, which do a nice job of blowing across a CPU cooler, so you could use an active cooler, a passive cooler, sorry. Well, we've used an active here, a Dynatron one. Although it's short, it will take a standard ATX board, and Supermicro do both single and dual processor ATX boards. On the front of the chassis, it's fairly plain. You've got your slim CD-ROM here. This grill at the front just for air ventilation, for your fans, and a power switch, reset, and just your normal hard drive activity, LAN activity, etc. So, one thing a lot of customers asked about is the noise of a system. So I thought it'd be just a good idea to start it up for you. Now it's going to start up a little bit louder while the system kicks in. The fans themselves connect to motherboard headers. So obviously if the system's working hard, the fans will speed up when the processor gets warmer. But as this is going to be idle in a few moments, hopefully the fans will just slow down a little bit and give you an indication of the standard sort of noise levels. Just while I was waiting, I just put the tape measure on. Comes in at just on 14 inches deep. There is an optional slide rail kit for it. And there you go, now the fans have cooled down. Well, this processor's cooled down a little bit and the fans have reduced. So nice, easy, simple build. You've got one rear full height expansion slot. It's a good, solid construction, there's no problem with the quality of it. And we can either sell you the chassis on its own with the power supply, the chassis and the Supermicro board and various parts, or we can build the whole thing up for you. So just visit our website www.xcase.co.uk. We also ship internationally. Thanks for listening.